Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to draw a person's face and we're going to show a grimacing expression. So we are doing a generic face. I think that is best for practice, and of course you could base the drawing on a real face, but in our estimate generic face is like it lends some more angles to explore, because you could like change things around, change the angles. So we'll move that line right in the middle there, because we're showing this right from the front. So there is so eyes, nose and mouth right around there, and of course we got our X shape going. I'm going to make sure that it's a little bit more streamlined so that we balance everything. Alright, raise that a little bit there. Okay, and we will draw some features. So when you're talking about, so we have done a grimacing expression before, and please do, if you would like to check out some of those other videos that we have out there, might be helpful. Like, we try to make the steps as easy to follow as possible, so pretty sure you might find those helpful as well. So we're just putting a generic no structure down right there, and of course in a moment we will put down the kind of grimace that we will go with. So let's start off with the most common one. So mouth open, so not like wide open, so it's open, but there's, if you see here, that we chose to do that, so smaller here and larger here. And then of course we are going to throw in a set of teeth. So this could be as fine as you wish in terms of being a drawing, but again it all depends on what you're trying to accomplish. So if it is for a project, or if it is an actual illustration that you're doing for a purpose, yes, you'll have to take more time, make sure everything is like more defined. So there is the end of the lower lip right there, and the very stretched upper lip, so just a hint right there. And of course we have the famous face lines that go with this action. Almost every face will have these features going. Every face is different, and we always maintain this, and we always mention this in our different like videos, like hands, face, beautiful things, beautiful creation, but they are all different. So let's give this guy an ear somewhere around here, and somewhere around there we'll throw in an ear as well. And then we go with, it's not too large, so we'll make smaller. And then of course we have the eyes, which make up the rest of this expression. So we are going to do that. And there is the half hidden eyeball in there, and this eye should pretty much be in line with the other one if you can. Otherwise, yes, a little difference, maybe we can make this a little more gaping than that one and do that, just so you know, to have that horror effect, or sorry, the anger effect going in this case. If it's a grimacing face, most likely that's what it is. And then we have some nose curls. Now we have explored these elements in a different video as well, but the placement here in this case is just another essential aspect that is also instrumental in getting these details going for different faces. So everything is concentrated right there, and of course we will explore an option or two if you can. And then there's the chin, which is also going to be different with the type of person that we are trying to base the illustration on, or the type of character in this case. So we'll put in the eyebrows right there and make the eyebrows right there. And let's say that the person has some hair maybe, and we'll just throw in some generic hair like that. So very easy actually to get around a generic grimacing expression. We're going to straighten up some features here as we go. For instance, the placement of the ear right here. Fix that up a bit, and of course fix that up a bit as well, just to even things out. And bring that cheekbone in, and of course you can balance aspects on your own, but our main exercise was this area here. So this is what it is in most cases. And of course there's the other, like face lines right there, for instance. How much of a stretched skin there is. The skin might even like stretch here in some cases, depending on how wrinkly the face is. So we're just going to put in some tones to finish this off. So thank you very much for watching. We put out content every day, so please subscribe, keep in touch, and have yourself a wonderful day. And just follow along as we finish off the tones on this one, just to give it one certain angle of light.